Welcome to Learn Yourself. Exercise 8.2, question number 1. Convert the given fractional numbers to percentage. Let us understand the concept first. Here fractional numbers are there that we have to convert to percentage. Now what is the meaning of fractional numbers? The numbers which are in fractional form, which are in the form of fraction like numerator and denominator, they are known as fractional numbers. So whenever the fractional numbers are there like 1 divided by 8, so that whenever we are converting into percentage we have to multiply by 100. So when any number you are converting into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Now other type of examples and numericals are where percentage will be there and that you have to convert into fractional form, and then after you have to convert that into decimal form. So exactly reverse process from here you have to do. That percentage is there, for example 4% is there, that you have to convert into fraction form. So we are here dividing by 100. When percentage you are converting to fractional form, so 100 will go in division. When fractional numbers you are converting into percentage, you are multiplying with 100. So after this fractional form, it is easy to convert into decimal. So here we can write 0.04. So these are two types of example. Fractional numbers you are converting to percentage, and percentage you are converting to fractional form and later to decimal form. Here what we have to do is this, that fractional numbers we are converting into percentage. So all these numbers we are multiplying with 100 and we will get the answer. Since these numbers are in fraction form, we will simplify it and then we will convert it into percentage. So let us start with the first numerical, that is 1 divided by 8. So fractional number is there, we are converting this into percentage, so we are multiplying with 100. So here we are going to multiply with 100. Now this form we have to simplify a bit. So we will get here 1 divided by 4 into 2 into 100. So here we will get 25. So 25 divided by 2. Let us divide that. So 25 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. 5. 2 2s are 4. We will get here 1. We are keeping here point and we are putting here 0. So we are keeping here point and we are keeping here 0. We are writing here 5. So we will get here 10 and later we will get 0 remainder. So our answer is 12.5. So 12.5 percentage will be the answer from this numerical. Second numerical, 5 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4, we are multiplying with 100. So 25, 4s are 100. So 25 into 5 will give us 125 and this is going to be our percentage. So 125 percentage will be answer. C, 3 divided by 40. So 3 divided by 40 is in fractional form. We are converting this into percentage, so we are multiplying with 100. 0, 0 we can cancel it out. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So here we'll get 3 into 5 divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2. Let us divide this. So 2 7s are 14. We will get here 1. We are keeping here point and we will keep here 0. So 2 5s are 10 and our remainder is 0. So answer is 7.5. So we got here 7.5 percentage. D, 2 divided by 7. Here we are multiplying with 100 and as we can see 7 and 100 we cannot divide them. So this is going to be our answer, that 200 divided by 7. Let us divide them. So 200 divided by 7. We will get here 7 2s are 14. As an answer we got here 6. Then we are getting this 0 down, 60. Then 7 8s are 56. And we got here 4. So our answer is going to be 28 will come at the front, 4 will go at the top, and in division the 7 will be there. We are going to write this as a mixed fraction. So 28 4 by 7 percentage will be the answer, or here we can still continue with 2 more decimal numbers and we can write 28.5 percentage. That here we can write here point and 0. So here we can write 5 and 35. So we got here 5. So this we can write answer in decimal form, or we can write this mixed fraction form's answer. Exercise 8.2, question number 2. Convert the given decimal fraction to percentage. So there are two types of numericals. When fraction forms are there, we are converting into percentage. At that time we are multiplying with 100. When percentage is there and we are converting into fraction form, we are dividing with 100. Now here they have given us a decimal form. Decimal form is we are converting from the fraction. That 4 divided by 100 is there. That we are converting into decimal. That 0.04. And decimal again we can convert to the fraction. That 4 divided by 100. And when we are converting this fraction into percentage, we are multiplying with 100. So our answer is going to be 4%. So here they have given us decimal. So decimal we are first converting into fraction. Then we are multiplying with 100 and then we will get the percentage. So this is how we are going to solve this numerical. So first one is 0.65. This is in decimal form. We are converting this into fractional form. So after decimal point there are two numbers. So 65 divided by 100. This is its fractional form. This is decimal form and this is our fractional form. Now from fractional form we are converting into percentage. So we are going to multiply with 100. And this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled out. So our answer is going to be 65%. B, 2.1. This is a decimal point. After decimal point only one number is there. So how we are going to convert this into fractional form? That in the denominator 10 will come. So 2.1 fractional form is 21 divided by 10. Now we are converting this into percentage, so we are multiplying with 100. 10 and 10 will get cancelled out. Here we got 210. So 210% will be our answer. C numerical 0.02. So after decimal point, two numbers are there. So in the division of 2, 100 will come. If you have any doubt regarding this, that how to convert fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction, then please check out my videos based on decimal form and fraction form. Then 2 divided by 100. So this is our fraction form. Now we are converting this into percentage. So we are multiplying with 100. So this 200 will get cancelled out and we will get here 2% as answer. Now D, 12.35. After decimal point, two numbers are there. So in the denominator 100 will come. So 1, 2, 3, 5. So 1235 divided by 100. Now let us convert this into percentage. So we are multiplying this number with 100. So this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled out and our answer is going to be 1235%. Exercise 8.2, question number 3. Estimate what part of figure is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. So our first numerical is this. and this much part is colored over here. As we can see the circle, we can see here that only 1/4 of the part is colored from this full circle. So 1/4 will be the fraction for this figure. Now this we have to convert into percentage. So we have to multiply this with 100. So we will get here 25 fours are 100. So we got here 25% as an answer. So first from the figure we are guessing the fraction, then we are converting it into percentage form. So let us guess the fraction for this. As we can see, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 parts are there. So into the denominator we are going to write 5. And out of 5, 3 parts are colored over here. So we are going to write 3 in the numerator because we are going to find out the percentage for the parts which are colored. So that's why we have written here 3 at the top. If we are finding out the percentage for non-colored part, then we have to write 2 at the top because only 2 parts are not colored. That is how we are going to write a fractional form. Whatever quantities, percentage or fraction we require, that will come into numerator and the whole quantity will come into the denominator. Here we are going to find out the color portion. So we are going to use this 3/5 fraction. If non-color parts we are going to find out fraction, for that 2/5 will be the answer. So 3/5. Now let us convert this fraction into percentage form. So in multiplication with 100. So 20 into 5 will give us 100. So 5 20s are 100. We got here 3 into 20, so 60. So 60% will be the answer. Now third numerical. How many parts are there? Let us count that. So total 8 parts are there. Let us write 8 down over here. Now let us check how many parts are colored. So 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 parts are colored over here. So we are going to write 3 at the top. Now this fraction we are going to convert into percentage. So we are going to multiply with 100. Let us write this term into simple form. So 3 into 4 into 25. In the denominator we will get 4 into 2. So this 4 and this 4 we can cancel it out. 3 into 25 will give us 75 divided by 2. We have to divide them. So we will get here 75 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. We got here 1, 5. So 7, 14, 1. Here we are putting decimal point and here we are putting 0. So we will get here 10 and 0 0 will be the remainder. So our answer is 37.5. So 37.5 will be the percentage. Exercise 8.2, question number 4. We have to solve these numericals in A, 15% of 250. Let us understand this numerical first. 15% is there. Whenever off will come, off will suggest multiplication. Whenever you will see off terminology, earlier we have seen the numerical that 3/4 of 100. In that what we were doing is 3/4 that we were multiplying with 100. The same thing we have to do here, but here the percentage is there, not a fraction form. So first we are writing this percentage, then we are multiplying with this 250, and then this percentage we are converting into fraction form. So let us see how we can solve this. First thing what we have discussed is off means multiplication. So whatever terminology will be there after off, that we are going to multiply with this 50%. So stepwise let us understand this. 15% of 250. So let us convert this off into multiplication first. So 15% multiplication is in multiplication with 250. Now let us convert this percentage to fraction. So whenever there is a percentage is there, we are going to convert into fraction. We are dividing with 100. Percentage to fraction, what we are doing? We are dividing with 100. So this percentage we are converting into fraction, so we are dividing with 100. So now this is our final term which we are going to solve. So let us solve it to the lowest term. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, so here we will get 2, and 5 5s are 25. So we got here 15 into 5 divided by 2. So 15 into 5 is 75. So 75 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. We got here 1 5. 2 7s are 14. So we will get here 1. Let us convert this into decimal. So here we are putting decimal. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10, we got here remainder 0. So our answer is our second numerical, 1% of 1 hour. So our 1% is there, then of 1 hour. So first let us this convert of into multiplication. So 1% is multiplying with 1 hour. So 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, and 60 minutes has 60 seconds. So we are converting this 1 hour into second. So in 1 hour, 60 into 60 seconds will be there. So 3600 seconds will be there in 1 hour. So that we are going to write here, that 3600 second. Hour we have converted into second. So 1% now we are converting into fraction form. So 1 divided by 100 in multiplication with 3600. So this 0 will get cancelled out, and we will get here 36 as an answer. And this is second. Our C numerical is 20% of rupees 2500. So 20% of rupees 2500. Now let us this convert off into multiplication. So 20% is multiplying with 2500 rupees. Now this 20% we are converting into fraction form. So 20 divided by 100 is in multiplication with 2500. So this 20 we can cancel it off, and we will get here 20 into 25. So we will get 500. Now this 500 is rupees, as from this our D numerical, 75% of 1 kg. So let us convert this off into multiplication, and this kg we are converting into gram. We know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So we are going to write here gram. So 75% is in multiplication with 1000. Now let us convert this percent into fraction. So 75 divided by 100 in multiplication with 1000 gram. So this 2 zeros will get cancelled out, and here we got 750, and since we have converted this into gram, 750 gram will be the answer. We can also keep this kg as kg, that 75% of 1 kg is there. Unit as it is, that 75% we are converting into fraction form, and we are multiplying with 1. So here what we got is this fraction we are converting into decimal, so we will get 0.75. Now this is kg, so we are going to write here kg. So 0.75 kg will be our answer. If we are converting that into gram, our answer will be 750 gram. Exercise 8.2, question number 5. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. Let us understand the numerical first. Here they are saying 5% of it is 600. That means if the full quantity is this much, then 5% of this full quantity is 600. Then we have to find out this full quantity. If this 5% we are converting into number form, then it is 600. So earlier the numericals what we were solving was like this, that 5% of 600. That means full quantity is 600 and out of which we have to find out 5%. So that was easy, we were just multiplying. Here we have to find out the whole quantity, and they have said us that 5% of this whole quantity is 600. So find out the whole quantity. So now when we will find out the whole quantity, it will be definitely bigger than this 600. Now let us see how to solve this. So we have this numerical is 5% of it is 600. We have to find out whole quantity which we do not know. So let us guess that whole quantity is going to be x. So let whole quantity be x. Now 5% of x is equals to 600. When we will find out this x, and that whole quantities 5% will be going to 600. Now let us convert this percentage into fraction form. So we will get here 5 divided by 100 into x equals to 600. Now we have to solve this and we will get the answer for x, and that x will be our whole quantity. So 5x divided by 100 equals to 600. So x is equals to 600. This 100 we are taking to other side, so it will go to numerator and this 5 will come in denominator. So 20 5s are 600. So answer we will get here is 12,000. So our whole quantity is 12,000, and if we are finding out 5% of 12,000, that is going to be 600. Now the second numerical is 12% of it is 1080 rupees. The whole quantity be x or y, any algebraic expression you can guess here or assume here. So 12% of x is going to be rupees 1080. So let us convert this percentage into fraction form. Of we are converting into multiplication into x equals to 1080. So we will get here x equals to 1080. In division 12 will be there, and that is in multiplication with 100. 100 is in denominator. When we are changing a side, it will go to numerator. 12 is in numerator. When we are changing side, it will go to denominator. So now we have to solve this. So 12 9s are 108, and we are putting it here 0 because it is 1080. 9,000. So x equals to 9,000 will be the answer. Our numerical C. Third numerical, 40% of it is 500 kilometer. So we are assuming the whole quantity. So let whole quantity be x or y. So 40% of whole quantity, that is x, is going to be 500 kilometer. So 40 divided by 100, percentage we have converted into fraction form. Of we are converting into multiplication, is multiplication with x equals to 500. So x equals to, we will get 500 in multiplication with 100 divided by 40. So 0 and 0 we can cancel it out here, and 25 4s are 100. So 25 into 50, we will get 125 and 10. So 1250 will be our answer as whole quantity, and this is kilometer. So 1250 kilometer will be the whole quantity. So if we are taking 40% of 1250, we will get 500 kilometer. Fourth numerical, 70% of it is 14 minutes. So let us assume the whole quantity. So let whole quantity be x. So we will get here 70% of x equals to 14 minutes. So 70% we are converting into fraction. So 70 divided by 100 is in multiplication with x equals to 14. So x equals to, we will get 14 in multiplied by 100 divided by 70. So this 0 we can cancel it out. 7 2s are 14. So x equals to, we got here 20 minutes. So 20 minutes 70% will be 40 minutes. So 20 minutes will be the whole quantity. Exercise 8.2, question number 6. Convert given percents to decimal fraction and also to fraction in simplest form. So we have here 25%. Let us convert this first into fraction form. So fraction form is going to be 25 divided by 100. When percentage will be there, and we are converting into fraction, we are dividing with 100. When fraction form is there, we are converting into percentage. We are multiplying with 100. So this is percentage and we are converting into fraction form. So this is our fraction form. Let us simplify it. So 25 4s are 100. So our answer here is 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. This is fraction form. Now we have to convert this into decimal form. So 1 divided by 4. So 0.2. So 2 4s are 8. We will get here 2 as an answer. Again 20 and 4 5s are 20. So we will get here 0 as remainder and our answer is 0.25. When this fraction form we are converting into decimal, we will get 0.25 and this is our decimal form. So first we are converting this percentage into fraction form and then to decimal form. Our second numerical is 150%. Let us convert this first into fraction form. So 150 divided by 100. This 0 we can cancel it off and let us simplify this. So 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 5. So we got here 3 divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is our fraction form. Now we are converting this into decimal. So 3 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2. We got here 1. We are putting here decimal. So we can keep here 0 and 2 5s are 10. So our remainder is 0 and answer is 1.5. So 1.5 will be decimal form. Our C numerical is 20%. So 20% we are converting into fraction. So we will get here 100. 20 divided by 100. Let us simplify it. So we can cancel this to 0 and 2 divided by 2 into 5. So 2 will get cancelled out. So answer here is 1 divided by 5 and that is our fraction form. So let us divide this 2. So 1 we are dividing with 5. Now 1 is smaller than 5. We cannot divide it. So we are going to put here decimal 0 point and here we are going to put 1 0. So it is going to be 10. So 5 2s are 10. So we got here remainder 0 and our answer is 0.2. So 0.2 will be our decimal form. D, 5%. So let us convert this into fraction first. 5 divided by 100. So let us simplify this. 5 divided by 5 into 20. So 5 will get cancelled out. Our answer is 1 divided by 20 and that is fraction form. Now we need this answer as decimal form also. So 1 we are dividing with 20. Again 1 is smaller than 20. We cannot divide. So 0 point. We are going to keep here 1 0. Again 10 is smaller than 20. So we are going to put here one more 0 and because of that we are going to put one more 0 over here. Now 25s are 100. So we will get here 0 as a remainder and our answer is 0.05. So this is our decimal form. Exercise 8.2, question number 7. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males and remaining are children. What percentage are children? So when this kind of numericals we are solving, we have to remember that percentage will be always 100%. So total percentage will be 100%. Now here we have 30% female and 40% are male. So we have to check that out of 100%, how many percentage are remaining, and that will be for the children count. So when we are adding the percentage of female and males, 70% are female and male count. Now we have to check the percentage for the children. So that we are subtracting from the 100. So when we are subtracting 70% from 100, we will get 30% and this will be the count for children. Exercise 8.2, question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find out how many actually did not vote? So percentage are 100%. Out of that, 60% have been voted. 60% people have voted. So when we will subtract this, the number what we will get, that many people did not vote. Now we got the percentage count for the people who did not vote. Now we have to find out number from this percentage count. So total voters we have here are 15,000. So out of 15,000, 40% people did not vote. So here we are going to use unitary method, that 15,000 people are total. That means this population is 100% in this constituency. So 15,000 are 100%. We have here 40%. So for that, what will be the number count? 15,000 into 40 divided by 100. So this 2 0 and this 2 0 we can cancel it off and we will get here 150 into 40. So our answer here is 6,000. Now this 6,000 number belongs to the people who did not vote for this election. So our answer here is 6,000. Exercise 8.2, question number 9. Meeta saves 4,000 rupees from her salary. If this is 10%, so of her salary, what is her salary? So they are saying that 10% of the salary is equals to rupees 4,000. So we have to find out what will be her complete salary for a month. So we have to find out whole quantity. They have given us quantity for 10,000. So we do not know the whole quantity. So we are assuming here that whole quantity will be X. So 4,000 of X is going to be 10%. So of we are converting into multiplication into X. So we are going to write here that 10% of X is going to be equal to 4,000. 10% of whole quantity will be 4,000. So this of we are converting into multiplication into X equals to 4,000. Now this 10% we are converting into fraction form. So we will get 10 divided by 100. So now let us solve this. So X equals to 4,000 in multiplication with 100 divided by 10. So we will get here 40,000. So X equals to 40,000 and this is Meeta's salary for a month. Another method which we can use here is unitary method. That 4,000 is a salary which is 10%. then what will be the 100% salary for her? So this unitary method will give us direct answer that 4,000 into 100 divided by 10, and the answer here will be 40,000. Exercise 8.2, question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So they have given us percentage number that 25% they won. We have to find out the number belongs to this 25%. So 20 matches in total they played. So 20 matches are 100%. Then what will be the 25% of 20 matches? So here we will get 20 into 25 divided by 100. So 25 4s are 100, 4 5s are 20. So we will get here 5, and the answer here is 5 matches they won. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.